Hello, I'm Dina from Bina Nusantara University. I will present my paper about the use of satellite for analysis of plantation location, minimize land fires, and improve fertilization. Land fire and poor fertilization process is problem in plantation companies. Every year, the number of forest and land fire is still relatively high. Added from KL Kehutanan. At present, the policy on controlling land fires is more on effort of extinguish land fires. This control effort should direct at preventing the occurrence of hotspot. In the case of fertilization, the problem is knowledge of soil condition and time of fertilization. Plantation companies currently do not know well the location or position of fertile or infertile land. Regarding the appropriate time for fertilizing, companies need to pay attention to rainfall in the plantation. It is known that there is a chance in the pattern of average rainfall in several areas of Indonesia. In this study, information for the fertilization process is not only based on spatial data about the earth surface and nutritional status in oil palm plantation, but also takes into account weather factors. Besides the use of NDVI or normalized different vegetation index facilitates that visual monitoring of oil palm plantation. The research purpose in this study is to help monitor a land prone to forest fire and detect soil fertility by designing and centralized monitoring information system using satellite for plantation companies. And the research question is, how can satellite help to improve the detection and control of plant fires and do improve the process of fertilization? Step by step of the research of the analysis was carried out using data from companies such as plantation condition, their humidity levels and temperature as well as soil condition. Then two dashboards are used to display visualization of important information that are consolidated and organized in one screen. Then three, normalize, we use NDVI to indicate plantation condition based on the color spectrum index. Then also used to indicate the health condition of the plant. There is the proposed model in our research you can see we use 4 satellite, then we'll capture the image, then processing system, then display for in one or monitoring dashboard. Satellite work include a spatial camera on satellite takes picture of large area of the Earth surface. Then images are collected as remote sensing from the Earth, which help researchers think about the Earth. The camera on the satellite can be used to make picture of temperature change. The image of the Earth remote is then used for mapping large area fires. Then from the ground. Track cloud to help predict the weather, tracking change in agriculture land over several years or even decades. This is business process of plantation monitoring using GIS, Geographic Information System. The process of plantation monitoring includes one, temperature monitoring and analysis of soil fertility and rainfall monitoring. The proposed plantation information system design has a user interface to monitor plantation condition. User must first log in. It is mandatory, okay? then entering their username and password to enter the dashboard page. Information about the user, time, and date of access are listed on this page. There are also various menus that can be chosen to monitor the condition of the plantation. The dashboard system gives user access to view real-time temperature data on plantation. The dashboard refresh automatically every 15 minutes to keep data upload. In addition, there are also information about condition, for example, sunny, cloudy, rainy, etc. Then status, for example, cold, normal, hot, very hot, then temperature graph. So the system use some I think notification about hotspot warning. Based on this value, the system will provide a notification. For example, when the plantation are very hot, the color index reaches 1.0 to show the temperature movement. The system display a temperature graph from a view day earlier so that safety, health, and environment employees can take fire prevention measure. For example, by installing a warning board or preparing water bags. And there is rainfall monitoring and rainfall monitoring on specific days. Dates for monitoring rainfall, the proposed system will collect rainfall data from the last 3 years. Data can be processed into weather forecast information for the next 7 days. The information will be very useful in fertilizing activity, especially to determine the time of fertilization so that the fertilizer use is not washed with rainwater. So for conclusion, the result of this study proved that the satellite use can identify and analyze plantation location to minimize losses due to fires on plantation land and provide benefit related to a better fertilization process. I think that's enough. Thank you for your attention.